Has it ever happened with you that you have missed an important email because you get a pile of emails every day? You missed that important client's task? Well, it have happened with me. So let's rectify the same solution in this video. In this video, I'll be creating your personal email AI agent, which will never let you skip any task or miss it for that matter. By using make.com, I'm gonna integrate your Gmail through ChatGPT to Notion. That means you will never be able to miss any tasks. It will create tasks automatically based on your emails. Let's see on the screen how we can do that. Here's my Gmail, and I have created a label called to action. Whatever email we'll put in here, where the AI will take care of it. Here's my Notion database. It looks something like this. It's a simple task database which is titled as tasks, and it have task name, it have the task description, it have due date, filter by date, and it have a priority. You can select high, medium, low, and this also we can set it through AI. There is a source like the client, its email can go, its name can go, whatever you want. And the status is also a selection based property, which is to do, in progress, and done. This is a simple table that I have created in Notion. You can also do that because all the tasks are gonna populated here only. Okay, so now we are in Make, and we will create our AI agent right here. Go to create a scenario, and we'll start integrating everything one by one. Let's start with Gmail. We'll type Gmail. Gmail is right here, and we'll go to watch mails because we want to watch the mails. We'll create a connection, my Gmail connection. Why not? Yes, sign in with the Gmail. Now the Gmail connection has been made. We can set it to Gmail filter. We'll put in query. Label to action is unread. We'll do all. Let's go to the next step. We'll add an OpenAI create completion because we're going to create a completion through ChatGPT. So let's add OpenAI, and we'll select a generate a completion. Then if you have the connection already, you can do this, or you can go to OpenAI. You can create a new secret key, name the key, select your project, right? You can name whatever key, select your default project, and create the key. Then you can paste that key here. When you add the connection, it will tell you for the API key, you can paste it here. I already have everything set. I'm not gonna create a new key, which I have already done in the last video. Create a chat completion, we'll say, and model will use a simple one, cheap one, which is 4.0. So we'll go with this one, GPT 4.0. That's fine. Or if we have GPT 4.0 mini somewhere, yes, this is even better. And then we will add a message for him. We'll add as a user in text context. We're gonna add prompt that we want it to handle from Gmail and convert it into task. It says extract action items from this email as tasks. Okay, for each task title, action, verb plus key detail, everything is there. Visit the description below to get this exact prompt and structure, which I'll share next. For description, we are getting full context plus sender, priority. We are also letting him decide the priority, due date, fine. Output, we want it as a JSON array only. So what you ask is, what is a JSON? No need to worry if you are not a techie. I'll tell you, JSON is a group of tables, or you can say group of items in the table. So JSON is a tabular format, but in a file. We'll get the full text body. All right. Then from sender, we'll get the Gmail from, which will come from here, like, yes, this guy. And subject, we can set it as this one. All right, we have set everything what we wanted here. We don't want image input at the moment. We don't want it here. Everything's fine. We can save it. After this, let's see, we need to take that JSON that we have created and put it in Notion. Through that and for that we need to go through 2 steps. We need to parse the JSON. That means we have to take the JSON and we have to convert that JSON into a structured format and then put all the data into JSON one by one. For that we will add a function called a module called parse JSON. It should look something like this, parse JSON. Just click it. We want to add the data structure, but first we want to add the JSON string. So I'll go here, I'll compose a mail for myself, which is me. I'll send it to myself. Here we got this, and I'll just have to drag it and put it in my label to action. When I run it, let's run this and see what happens. This module is not set up. Transformer should not be the last module at the book. Okay, and so let's delete this for a moment. We don't want it at the moment. Let's run this once. So running, it's got 1. All right, that's a green sign. That's a good sign for us. We'll check what is the output. Well, go here, we'll see 2. It's from me, which is the client, and snippet says, hi man, everything is there. Full body text, you can see the snippet. If you want, you can take it, otherwise this is here. And then we go to ChatGPT and see what's its response. Result is in JSON form, which says task title, review thumbnail design. Description says let's review the thumbnail design by the end of tomorrow. Akash. Priority is high here. Due date is at 2023. It has set the due date at 2023. What we want now is to parse the JSON, which we deleted last time. So let's add parse JSON now, this guy, and we can add a structure. For structure, I'll say task structure, why not, and we'll generate it. Sample data, we need to provide a sample data. For sample data, we can go here and we can copy the JSON that it have created, which is task title, description, this due date, like that. This is the sample data and we can generate it. Oh, okay. When you copy, don't copy JSON or don't copy these. We just want from the big bracket till the big bracket. The curly brackets should be there, the big brackets should be there. This content from big bracket to the big bracket, that's all. Then it will generate the your name, which is the task title, your description, which is the task's description, and priority, the due date, everything. Now we just have to map everything and we're good to go. In task title, all right, it's fine. It got everything, we just need to save it. Yeah, JSON string is what we want. The particular order is what we are looking for. So in JSON string, we will get the JSON string, which is from choices, messages, and we want the content, this JSON that you're seeing, right? This content, and then we'll save it. That's it. We'll connect it. What comes next is called iterator. Iterator is used to extract data one by one. That means it iterates on that array. It goes to the table's first column, section, and extract the data from the array and puts it into the Notion. So we'll type it iterate, and we want now the array which we want to map. Like we want task title, we want description, priority, due date, everything. Okay, we'll save it, and then we'll add a Notion database. Notion, all right. We'll go here and create a database item. We'll select it. And now we need to, I have already added a connection which was old. We will add a new connection, which is a public connection, which is an internal connection, sorry. And for internal connection, yours is also internal connection because you haven't shared it, probably. And for the connection name, we will say task and integral token. Have to go to Notion for that. In the database, go to these 3 dots, go to connection and manage connection. Here you will find a developer manage integration. Go here, it will open the website. We'll create a new connection called task integration, task make integration, whatever you want to make it, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. Associated workspace is my workspace, type is internal, and we'll save it and we'll configure integration token. We got the secret key, we'll show it, copy it, it said copy, access tab, edit access, will okay, yeah, here we can go ahead and let him make it. Okay, this one I forgot. We now have access. We'll go back here, connection name is done, we'll paste that key and save it. It's loading. Now from the database, we'll keep it, select from the database and search for it. We can search for tasks. And now task name goes the task title from the JSON. The description goes the description. Status is, you can say it's to do. And for source, you can put email or maybe from the name. And due date, start time is the due date. And the time is, okay, start time is today's date, which is okay. And the time is the due date. Right. Go include time. No, that's fine. Priority, we can also map the priority, and this is the priority. Okay, so we can save it. We are all done. Now we just need to run everything. This time let me send it from the 10x solo. Right, private mail, will send it to myself, and subject will be a review thumbnail designs. Let's finalize the thumbnail design today. Send. Yes, I got the mail from the 10x solo and I'll put it in action. Now I'll run it. Oh, it gave me an error. All right, what was the issue? The issue was it was giving a JSON word inside the JSON. That means here it was a JSON word. So I just updated the prompt with don't put the word JSON inside JSON string. That's it. Let's see if it does the magic. So let's zoom out. I'll run it once more. Boom, it's processing. It goes to JSON, everything, and boom, here we have the task. That's magic. That's called the automation. And as you can see, it have already set everything. Finalize the thumbnail design, which is the title. We have a due date. This is the source which it came from. If you love this AI agent of yours, you can make it for yourself, and you can get all the links in description, the prompts, the newsletter, or anything else, the structure, everything. You can get them from the description, and let me know how you feel about this AI agent. I love it. It doesn't let me miss anything. You just have to drag, or you can also map the inbox if you want, but it will cost you your API things. Well, I would suggest you map the whole inbox. That's why I have made a label, call to action. You can do that. It's recommended. If you like this video, comment down below, email to task. I'll send you the exact blueprint for the make.com scenario, and you can join my newsletter from the description. From there, you can also get the prompts used in the video and the structure I have used for the past JSON. And I will give you your free starter kit with lot more prompts than this. You can also get the exact prompt. And if you like the video, hit like button, smash it, and I will see you in the next one.